Hi, in this video we will be talking about the key traits and habits of successful investors. Watch this video to the end to delve into some key traits and habits that characterize the mindset of successful investors, exploring each aspect in detail to provide actionable insights for aspiring investors. Welcome back to the International CEO. In the world of investing, success isn't just about financial acumen or luck. It's also deeply tied to mindset, the way successful investors think, act, and approach opportunities and challenges. The wealthy mindset encompasses a unique set of traits and habits that set successful investors apart from the rest. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into some key traits and habits that characterize the mindset of successful investors, exploring each aspect in detail to provide actionable insights for aspiring investors. Vision and clarity. Successful investors possess a clear vision of their financial goals and objectives. They know exactly what they want to achieve, whether it's building long-term wealth, achieving financial independence, or funding a particular lifestyle. This clarity not only provides them with a sense of direction but also serves as a compass for their investment decisions. Whether they aim to retire early, fund their children's education, or leave a legacy, having a clearly defined vision enables them to align their investment strategies with their long-term objectives. To develop a clear vision, aspiring investors should take the time to reflect on their financial aspirations and articulate specific goals that they want to accomplish. Whether it's quantifying the amount of wealth they aim to accumulate or outlining the lifestyle they envision for themselves and their families, clarity is paramount. Moreover, revisiting and refining their vision periodically allows investors to adapt to changing circumstances and priorities, ensuring that their investment strategies remain aligned with their evolving goals. Discipline and patience. Discipline and patience are cornerstone traits of the wealthy mindset. Successful investors understand that building wealth takes time and requires sticking to a well-thought-out investment strategy, even in the face of market volatility and uncertainty. They resist the temptation to chase quick gains or succumb to impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed. Instead, they adhere to a disciplined approach, following a carefully crafted investment plan that accounts for their risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals. Developing discipline and patience requires cultivating the ability to delay gratification and stay committed to the long-term investment journey. This may involve setting clear investment rules and guidelines, such as adhering to asset allocation targets, rebalancing portfolios periodically, and avoiding emotional reactions to short-term market fluctuations. By maintaining a disciplined mindset, investors can avoid making rash decisions that undermine their long-term financial objectives, staying focused on the bigger picture despite inevitable challenges along the way. Risk management. While investing inevitably involves risk, successful investors are adept at managing and mitigating it effectively. They conduct thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions, carefully assessing the potential risks and rewards associated with each opportunity. Moreover, they recognize that diversification is a key strategy for spreading risk across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions, thereby minimizing the impact of adverse events on their overall portfolio performance. Effective risk management also entails setting realistic expectations and understanding the inherent trade-offs between risk and return. While higher risk investments may offer the potential for greater rewards, they also carry increased volatility and downside risk. As such, successful investors strike a balance between risk and reward based on their individual risk tolerance, investment objectives, and time horizon. By incorporating risk management principles into their investment approach, they can protect their capital while positioning themselves for long-term wealth accumulation. Continuous learning. The world of investing is dynamic and ever-evolving, and successful investors recognize the importance of continuous learning to stay ahead of the curve. They remain curious and intellectually curious, actively seeking out new knowledge and insights to enhance their understanding of market trends, economic dynamics, and investment strategies. Whether through reading books and financial publications, attending seminars and webinars, or engaging with industry experts and fellow investors, they leverage a variety of resources to expand their knowledge base and refine their skills. Continuous learning also involves staying informed about technological advancements, regulatory changes, and macroeconomic trends that may impact investment opportunities and risks. By staying abreast of developments in the financial landscape, successful investors can adapt their strategies accordingly, capitalizing on emerging trends while mitigating potential pitfalls. Moreover, they recognize that learning from both successes and failures is essential for personal and professional growth, embracing each experience as an opportunity to refine their investment approach and decision-making process. Long-term perspective. Successful investors take a long-term view of their investments, recognizing that wealth accumulation is a marathon rather than a sprint. They understand that while markets may experience short-term fluctuations and volatility, sound investment fundamentals prevail over the long term. As such, they resist the temptation to time the market or engage in short-term speculation, instead focusing on building a diversified portfolio of high-quality assets with strong growth potential. Maintaining a long-term perspective requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to endure temporary setbacks and market downturns. Successful investors anchor their investment decisions to their long-term financial goals and objectives, rather than reacting impulsively to transient market movements or external noise. Moreover, they recognize that time in the market, rather than timing the market, is the key to wealth accumulation, allowing them to benefit from the power of compounding and dollar-cost averaging over extended investment horizons. Emotional resilience. The ability to remain calm and composed amidst market volatility and uncertainty is a hallmark of the wealthy mindset. Successful investors do not let fear, greed, or other emotions dictate their investment decisions. Instead, they maintain emotional resilience, approaching market fluctuations with rationality, perspective, and a long-term orientation. By cultivating emotional intelligence and self-awareness, they avoid making impulsive decisions that could undermine their investment objectives and long-term financial success. Developing emotional resilience involves recognizing and managing the psychological biases and cognitive errors that can cloud judgment and lead to suboptimal investment outcomes. Whether it's confirmation bias, overconfidence, or loss aversion, successful investors strive to overcome these behavioral pitfalls through self-reflection, mindfulness, and cognitive reframing techniques. Moreover, they surround themselves with a supportive network of mentors, advisors, and peers who can provide perspective and guidance during challenging times, helping them stay grounded and focused on their investment goals. Adaptability. Flexibility and adaptability are essential traits for success in investing, especially in today's rapidly changing and interconnected global economy. Successful investors recognize that the investment landscape is constantly evolving, shaped by technological innovation, regulatory changes, geopolitical events, and shifting consumer preferences. As such, they remain agile and proactive in their investment approach, embracing change as an opportunity rather than a threat. To cultivate adaptability, investors should remain open-minded and receptive to new ideas, strategies, and perspectives. They should continuously reassess their investment thesis and portfolio allocation in light of changing market dynamics and emerging trends, adjusting their strategies accordingly to capitalize on new opportunities and mitigate potential risks. Moreover, they should leverage technology and data analytics to gain insights into market trends and investor behavior, enabling them to make informed decisions in real time and stay ahead of the curve. Focus on value. Value investing lies at the heart of the wealthy mindset, emphasizing the importance of buying assets at a discount to their intrinsic value. Successful investors seek out opportunities where the market price of an asset is temporarily misaligned with its underlying fundamentals, presenting an opportunity for long-term capital appreciation. They conduct thorough fundamental analysis to identify undervalued assets with strong growth potential, focusing on factors such as earnings growth, cash flow generation, and competitive advantage. To apply a value investing approach, investors should develop a keen understanding of valuation metrics and investment principles, such as price-to-earnings ratios, discounted cash flow analysis, and margin of safety. They should also adopt a contrarian mindset, being willing to go against the herd and buy when others are selling, provided that the investment thesis remains intact. By focusing on value rather than short-term market sentiment, successful investors can build wealth steadily and sustainably over the long term, regardless of prevailing market conditions. The wealthy mindset is characterized by a unique set of traits and habits that distinguish successful investors from the crowd. From vision and discipline to risk management and adaptability, these key attributes shape their approach to investing and contribute to their long-term success. By cultivating these traits and habits, aspiring investors can emulate the mindset of the wealthy and enhance their chances of achieving financial prosperity in the dynamic world of investing. Remember, investing is not just about making money. It's also about developing the mindset and habits that lead to lasting wealth and financial independence. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.